Welcome. If Telegram Web isn't opening on your PC after the latest update, don't worry, I've got some simple solutions for you. In this video, I'll walk you through a few steps to fix the issue and get you back online. Let's dive in. The first thing you should try is closing and reopening your browser. It might sound simple, but sometimes this is all it takes to fix minor glitches. So go ahead and close the browser completely, wait a few seconds, and then reopen it. Once it loads, try accessing Telegram Web again and see if it works. If that doesn't help, try restarting your device. Restarting can often solve issues caused by background processes or temporary bugs. To restart your PC, press the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen, click the power icon, and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds, then press the power button to turn your PC back on. After your computer restarts, check if Telegram Web opens. Another thing you can try is switching to a different network. If you're using a weak or unstable Wi-Fi connection, it might prevent Telegram Web from opening. To switch networks, click on the network icon in the notifications area at the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, you can select a different network to see if the issue resolves. It's also important to check your internet connection to make sure everything is running smoothly. Click on the network icon again and make sure you're connected to a stable network. If the connection is weak or there are any issues, try resetting your router or connecting to a different network. Lastly, clearing your browser's cache can often resolve loading problems with websites like Telegram Web. Cached files can sometimes interfere with the page loading correctly. To clear the cache, click on the three dots or menu icon in the top right corner of your browser, go to Settings, and look for Privacy and Security. From there, select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure the box for cached images and files is checked, and click Clear Data. And that's it.